as
Well,
good as you would
let's
be
start
able
with
to.
the idea that he is arguing with financial advice and he's broke. That's pretty stupid. The credit score hadn't been a blessing to this guy. He's broke. He's having financial problems. So his plan really sucks.
Does my credit score really matter? Despite all the videos out there discussing what a scam credit scores are, and they may be, but credit scores are a necessary evil for most of us. Your credit score is one of the most important numbers in your life. We are constantly told that we need a good credit score to get a good job, buy a house, or even rent an apartment. But what is a credit score, and why do we care so much about it? A credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your credit worthiness. It is calculated by taking into account your credit history and current debt levels. Your credit score matters. It's not just a number. It's a reflection of your borrowing and repayment history. A high credit score means you're a low-risk borrower, which could lead to a lower interest rate on a loan or mortgage. A low credit score could lead to higher interest rates and could mean you won't be approved for a loan at all. Your credit score is important. It can determine whether you are approved for a loan, the interest rate you will pay on a loan, and even whether you are approved for a credit card or not. Credit scores range from 300 to 850. The higher your credit score, the better. So what the hell is this zero credit score stuff that Dave Ramsey is talking about?
Buy a house and all these other things you said, he said, well, all these other things are your problem. You pay cash for everything but a house. And I'd rather you pay cash for a house, but zero chance ever that you need to have any credit card debt, any student loan debt, or any car debt, or any debt other than a house if you want to be a millionaire. All these millionaires we've studied, all these not broke people like your brother, but all these people who have money that we have studied for 30 years have avoided debt as their primary way to become wealthy because that allowed them then, without any payments, to invest. So you save up and pay cash for your trips, your Christmas, your college. You save up and pay cash for your cars, your boats, your toys. You save up and pay cash. Like Grandma said, if you ain't got the money, don't buy it. And the money means you need to have all the money to buy the item. And it doesn't chase you home.
This will be a little extreme for most people. I will say this, before I ever heard one word from Dave Ramsey, my goal was to pay off all my debt other than my mortgage. And it feels good. Also, as far as the zero credit score goes. Why do it? If you're a person who is tempted because you have $100,000 worth of available credit that you have to use all $100,000 worth of that available credit, then yes, please find help. But this zero credit score will work for you. But if you have worked out your shopping issues, why not use a credit card for all your monthly purchases, hit those air miles, Amazon points, or cashback rewards, and pay that credit card off each month? Take care.